StudyMojo.com.
Next is question number 6 from exercise 6.4. Question number 6. The question is, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. AM is a median of triangle ABC and PN is the median of triangle PQR. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Let AM is the median, AM be one median of triangle ABC. Let AM be one median of triangle ABC and PN be one median of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AM by PN the whole square. This is the thing which we have to prove. Since the two triangles are similar, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, we have by theorem area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square. Which is equal to BC by QR the whole square. Now consider triangle ABM and PQN. Here we have one condition also, angle B is equal to angle Q. We have also angle B is equal to angle Q. Now consider triangle ABM. Consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN and triangle PQN. Now AB divided by PQ is equal to, we have AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. We have AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. That is AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC divided by half of QR. That means AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC. Half of BC is equal to BM because AM is a median and M is its midpoint, is equal to BM divided by half of QR is equal to QN. BM divided by QN. BM divided by QN. Because the reason is AM is a median. AM is a median and hence M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC and Pn is a median and N is the midpoint of QR. This is the reason. That means AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN. That is AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN and angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABM is similar to PQN. Therefore, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by SAS similarity criterion by SAS side angle side. This side angle and this side is equal to this side PQ angle and this side SAS similarity criterion. Therefore, AB by PQ will be equal to, therefore, AB by PQ will be equal to AM by PN. AM by PN, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, area of triangle ABC we can consider. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square. AB by PQ the whole square, which is equal to, instead of AB by PQ, we can write AM by PN. AM by PN the whole square. Since AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AM by PN the whole square. This was the thing which we have to prove, hence proved.